हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वालेकुम सलाम डियर only 3 today no one joined the class. Ahmed Afzal was joining year 6 class, now he is absent. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'll be explaining you how to paraphrase. Okay, Shamir, kindly do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahul Azim. Subhanallah, bete. Yes. All the students kindly mute your mic unless I ask you to unmute. I did not restrict anyone, but you should mute it by yourself. And do not unmute unless I'll say you. Please. Give me attendance, write in chat your name, class, section, and present teacher. For example, Shamir Said, 5 red, present teacher. Write in chat, all of you. Okay. Paraphrase. Do you know what is this paraphrase? Who will define or describe this term? What does it mean? Paraphrase. Kindly raise the hand who can answer me. Only Zainab and Ali Ahmed give the attendance. Other are not giving the attendance to me. Shamir, attendance please. Wafa, Ahmed Afzal, Samir, write present teacher in chat. Your name, class, section, and present teacher. Ahmad, Huzaifa, Samir, Hassan, kindly message me. But I told you do not unmute unless I ask you. Open video, all of you, and open page number 54 and 55 of Anthology. Oxford International Anthology. Okay. Ali Ahmed raised the hand. He will describe the term paraphrase. Yes, Ali Ahmed. What is?
This paraphrase means introduction of from any book.
No, my dear. Yes. Zainab, what is paraphrase?
Miss, who write the story?
No, my dear, it's not. Yes, who will tell what is paraphrasing? Who knows the answer? Samir, do you know it? Okay. Wafa raised the hand. Yes, Wafa.
Teacher, to write a paragraph.
No. Yes. Okay. Let me tell you what is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means to describe something in your own words. For example, I read a story or I have heard a story about something and now I'm explaining the story in my own words. समझ रहे हैं आप? जब हम कुछ अपने लफ्जों में बयान करते हैं, that is paraphrasing. For example, I read or I watch a story. Fine. so that I explain in my own words. जब मैं अपने लफ्जों में बयान करूंगी, that is paraphrasing. Am I clear? For example, any topic I've studied, I understood the topic, and now I'm explaining topic in my own words. So that is paraphrasing. Did you understand? Did you all understand what is paraphrasing? So today we'll be studying the comprehension cartoonist. So I want you all to paraphrase the story. Explain in your own words. Hassan Raza, Kirat Shafiq, Ahmed Afzal, and Adyan, if you won't be attentive in the class and won't open the camera, I'll remove you. Please. Ahmed Afzal, Huzaifa, be attentive in my class. I want to see you. I want the book in your hand. Oxford International Anthology. Page number 54. Okay. In the word cloud, the word that is mentioned is attic. Look at the word cloud, page number 54. Attic. Attic is a small room in roof. जो छत में एक छोटा सा कमरा नहीं होता, small one. Attic. 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 It's a noun and it means a small room in roof. Okay. Lettered. Lettered mean written in black and white. Did you understand? Published. Published mean a piece of work ready to be public sale. Ready for public sale or ready to publish. A piece of any work or any book or any magazine that is ready to be publicly sale. That is publish. Scattering. Scattering means dispersing or spreading something. ठीक है? Did you understand all the word cloud? If you wish to write with pencil in your book, you can write attic, a small room in roof. Write with pencil. Lettered, written. Let me share a screen with you all. You can compete in this manner. We are doing page number 54, word cloud. Write with pencil in your book. Attic, a small room in roof. It is noun. You just write this. Letter, return. Then published, journal, or any piece of work that is ready to sale, that is ready for public. Public sale. Scattering, dispersing. Take a picture kindly.
टीचर मैं कंप्यूटर पे क्लास ले रही हूँ, मेरे नहीं होगी, स्क्रीनशॉट कैसे लेंगे?
From mobile, take a picture, na?
Okay.
Let me write in a proper format now. It will be more convenient for you. It was jumbled na, now I have sorted out.
मिस ये आगे कॉपी में करना है काम?
No, do in book with pencil. ठीक है? With pencil, just note down these vocabulary. You should know about it. It is mentioned in the word cloud in your book.
Teacher, page number
54.
मिस ये कॉपी में नहीं करना?
No.
मिस कैडेट का मतलब क्या है?
Dispersing, spreading. Please.
स्कैटरिंग का दिखाओगे?
Wait, my dear, wait. Let me arrange in order na first. I'll be showing it to you. Now you can take picture. Have you taken picture? Page 54, word cloud. Now we will start the comprehension. Look at that. It's very funny comprehension in that Alfie was drawing some comic strip. Look at that. What did he draw? Did you hear me, Alfie? The mother was calling Alfie. Alfie did not answer. He was drawing a comic strip called Super Bird. In the first square, a man was scattering bird seed from a bag labeled Little Bird Seed. From the bag was having the caption Little Bird Seed. He was scattering means dispersing. He was giving to the bird to eat. In the next square, little birds were gobbling up the seeds. Gobbling means swallowing, nigalna. In the third square, the man was scattering bird seed from a big bag labeled Big Bird Seed. The seed were for big bird. In the next square, big birds were gobbling up the seeds. In the fifth square, the man was scattering huge lambs from a big labeled Giant Bird Seed. In the last square, a giant bird was gobbling up the little man. Isn't it too funny? You know, the huge bird was gobbling a man in the last one. A very interesting story, na? A very funny comic strips that Alfie created. There was a smile on Alfie's face as he looked at what he had done. You know, he was drawing the comic strip and laughing and smiling on that. At the top of the drawing, he lettered in the words Super Bird. So he gave the title to his comic strip, that is Super Bird. He decided one for each month. So what did he decide? Every month he will write one comic strip. He would call it Super Calendar. So in 12 months he will be writing 12 comic strips. Maybe he would get published, and later when he learned how he would animate Superbird and make it into a film. He can make a film from that. Whenever he drew something, he always saw it in motion. You know, he was drawing the animated cartoon and he was visualizing it Visualize means thinking in the mind and dreaming that I am in the same place, or I am feeling and doing that things. Did you understand the meaning of visualize? When we visualize, we think that we imagine that we are there. Okay. Alfie knew she was at the foot of the ladder now. Now the mother was very angry. She came near to ladder. Ladder क्या होता है? सीढ़ी. She rattled the ladder as if she were trying to shake him down. She was moving. और how she was getting angry? जैसे आप वो एल्फी को उठा के फेंक देंगी. I am coming up there to pull you down by the ear if you don't come this minute. What mother was saying? मैं कान से पकड़ के आपको, I'll take you from there if you don't come within minute. He got up quickly and turned his papers face down on the table. He started for the ladder that led downstairs. Now, Alfie got scared from the mother threat and he was coming down. Coming down from the attic was like getting off one of those rides at the amusement park. Alfie thought. Now, Alfie was visualizing it, imagining it. It left him feeling strange, as if he had moved not from one part of the house to another, but from one experience to another without time to get his balance adopted. Is this clear? Now, you know, when it was a personal room of Alfie. Attic was the personal room where he go and draw his animated cartoon, the comic strips, and visualize the story about it. Did you understand? Okay. Did you understand what are comic strips? Okay. Comic strips.
Story.
Yes. Comic strips are the animated cartoon, the picture of cartoons, animated one, which is creating a story. Is this clear to everyone? So today we have studied the cartoonist comprehension in that Alfie was drawing comic strip and he had given it name Super Calendar because he decided to draw animated cartoon every month. So, can you draw a story in the manner? Shall we do this activity of the comic strip? It will be having fun. Okay, so I'm giving this you all an assignment. Create a story of your own with the help of comic strip, a funny story. You have to create at least 6 or 5 pictures to create the whole story, as Alfie did so in color paper. Have any light color paper, and in that you can draw and give title to it. Am I clear? It should be very nice or very interesting and fascinating one. Will you all take part in it? Okay, very nice. Yes, my dear.
फोटोज होंगी इनसे ज्यादा भी हो सकती हैं.
Up to you. If you wish to create more comics like 10 or 9, it's up to you. But it should give complete story to all of you, so that everyone can get it, what is going on in the picture, as Alfie did so. Isn't it?
मिस
Yes.
मिस हम लोग को एक पूरी स्टोरी बनानी है.
Yes. Light color paper, a color paper you should take, any light. Or if you wish to take white paper, you can take white paper. And in that, draw at least 6-7 comic strips, which is creating a story. Okay?
Okay, miss.
And picture should be in sequence. जो picture होंगी ना sequence में create कीजिएगा, as Alfie did so. ठीक है? Then you all will paraphrase that comic strip in your own words. Okay, what did you create? You will describe. You will show your picture and you will describe. So till Friday, you have the time to submit it. Am I clear to all of you? This comic strip.
आपको पिक्चर भेजना है?
जी बेटे.
आपको पिक्चर भेजनी है?
जी बेटे, you will share picture. You will first draw the comic strip. After drawing the comic strip, you will make your video. In that, you will show that picture. It should have a good title. Write your name, title, everything. And that you will make a small video of yours. In that, you will paraphrase that this is going on in my story. For example, I am Zainab Zafar of 5 Red. I have created this comic strip. In that comic strip, this thing is happening. Am I clear? And at last, with thank you. Did you all understand? You will be first creating the story, drawing it, coloring it in a beautiful manner. And then you will be making your video and you will paraphrase it. Am I clear to all of you? Because I want to listen you as well. And I want to check out the written work as well. Okay? You can mention the dialogue as well. Okay, na? Make word cloud and write dialogue as well. Okay? Okay. Have a great day ahead. So I'm ending up the class. I hope you all understood the comprehension and all the vocabulary which we have done yesterday and today. Everyone, did you understand the meanings? Everything? Sarah, did you understand, my dear? Adyan, be attentive. Ali Ahmed, be attentive, please. Hassan, did you understand, my dear? Okay. So you all should take part in it. Okay, so many students are absent of.
कल वाला वर्ड क्लब उतारना है आज?
In book, not in copy. ठीक है, write with pencil in your book. Am I clear? Any other question, my dear? You know who will create the best story now? They'll be getting the certificate. It's a, you can say it's a drawing or story writing competition. ठीक है? Okay. Have a great day ahead. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz, dear all of you.